Hello, this is Sanjay Sane. In this video, you are going to see Python options related to normal distribution. First of all, let us see the density function of normal distribution. This is the density function. And in this density function, as you will see that there are two parameters for this distribution, mu and sigma square. Sigma is basically standard deviation for this distribution. Mu is mean for this distribution. We can easily prove that expected value of x for this distribution is mu and variance of x for this distribution is sigma square with the help of integration expressions. You will also see that this distribution has a bell-shaped curve. The area under the curve for this distribution will be always 1. Anyway, area under the curve for any distribution will be always 1. And you will also find one thing, that the mu is not constrained, so to say. Mu ranges from -infinity to infinity, but sigma is necessarily greater than 0. Well, when sigma is big, then you will find that the curve will be more of platykurtic. And when sigma will be small, it will be more of leptokurtic. We have also a Z transformation for this distribution called standard normal distribution. Z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. The expression of Z, f of Z, changes to 1 upon under root 2 pi e raised to minus z square upon 2. You see that we can easily prove that mean for this distribution is 0 and standard deviation for this distribution is 1. Let us see few examples related to normal distribution. The examples which we are going to see will be using, some of the examples will be using CDF function, which applies to x less than or equal to k kind of probabilities. For finding probability x greater than k, we have SF as the function, and for finding moments, we have stats as the function. Let us see some examples. So among these examples, let us see the first example. Height of female in a geographical area is normally distributed with mean mu is equal to 64 and sigma is equal to 4 inches. Over here, we are interested in finding probability that the particular person will be less than 58 inches tall. Let us see this example now. As we see that this is our problem. Well, x over here basically is height in inches. It follows normal distribution with 64 as mu and sigma square as 4 square. Usually we denote it in this way only. Now, considering our bell-shaped curve, let me draw over our bell-shaped curve over here. Maybe you can, think of this as the mu. Yes, this is mu. Mu is equal to 64. If you try to position 58, it will be in this way, and hence your required probability will be this area under the curve. Now, if in mathematics we require to find area under the curve, usually we find it with integration. So we could have done it in this way, -infinity to 58. Basically, what we actually require over here is probability that x is less than 58. Fine. Well, over here, less than 58 and less than or equal to 58 will be same because this is continuous distribution. And this is going to be our probability. We need not bother about this integration because we already have a ready-made function in Python called CDF function. Let us see that. You will see that this is the function norm.cdf, which can compute this probability. Let's understand little bit syntax of this. X is equal to 58 means the value under which we want to find probability should be specified first. Then comes our mu, and then comes our sigma. Okay, LOC stands for location, scale stands for, you see, location is actually mu over here, and scale is actually standard deviation over here. Let us execute this function now in our Python notebook. Here in our notebook, we require to import this module norm. So I have imported this accordingly. And now I'll be calling this function over here in our notebook. Hence will be our answer. Hence, this concludes the first part of my normal distribution videos. The link of the second part will be given in the description below. For more videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget please to press the bell icon. Thank you.